Hey, what's up guys? Ito po ako nagbabalik, your boy Odie. And today, I'm excited kasi meron po tayong i-unbox. And Huawei finally did it. So what we have here is their 2020 flagship, the Huawei P40 Pro. So bago ang lahat, gusto kong pasalamatan my good friend Nelvin for sending me this phone for unboxing. So konting introduction guys. The P40, the Pro, and the Pro Plus was announced March 26 and it was released April 7, 2020. So this smartphone is intended for consumers who is into photography, who need fast and powerful smartphone, and for people who can live without the Google Play. However, the Huawei, they have their own gallery app, which they encourage all developers to join in. So most probably, after a week or a month, makikita na natin yung mga gusto nating o mga paborito nating application sa gallery app nila. So ito po yung box niya. Ayan po. Yan yung front. So this is my first time to open a Huawei smartphone. Ang masasabi ko is they have also a nice packaging. Makikita mo na isa rin siyang contender sa mga ibang flagship na phone katulad ng Samsung, iPhone, OnePlus, and this phone is from China. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing and I'm excited and let's go. So meron tayo ditong scissors just to remind you guys na be careful at dahan-dahan lang guys. So ito po siya. So umpisan po natin. Wow. Ayun po. So, bubuksan na po natin. Wow! Bam! So, what we have here is the unit itself. Tanggalin po natin. And may another divider siya. Lagay po natin dito. And meron tayong box. Let's open the box kung anong meron. Oh, so meron siyang... Wow! Hopefully, may ganito rin ang iPhone. Ito yung wini-wish ko na magkaroon ng iPhone. Magbigay sila ng free na casing. Kasi, bibili ka ng iPhone, bibili ka ng mamahaling phone, pero wala silang free na casing. I mean, just a small scratch, masakit na sa lobo, lalo na pag binili mo ng brand new. So, ayan, believe ako, guys. So, ilagay natin dito yung case. The next is... So ito po yung sinasabi nila na fast charger, 40 watts, supercharged. Sa ibang phone, kailangan mong bilhin to, pero dito kasama na siya. Wow. Tapos, meron tayong headphone. And, so meron tayong charging cord. So, check muna natin yung box. So yung small box sa loob is meron tayong SIM ejector. Ayan po, doon po nakalagay. And meron tayong quick start guide. Ayan po. So, i-open na po natin. Dahan-dahan. Wow. Maganda. Likod pa lang is maganda na. Sa harap, wow, nice. Wala akong masabi. Wow, maganda siya, maganda yung build quality niya, mabigat. Wow, kita mo yung kulay niya. So ito po yung silver frost color. Ang ganda guys, ang ganda yung pagkakulay. So parang makikita mo na medyo shiny siya or parang pag tumama siya sa ilaw, magiging white silver siya. And then the other side na walang ilaw is magiging dark silver frost. Yan po yung back. Yan po yung side niya. Nandyan, yan yung po yung on and off button. At saka, yan po yung control ng volume. So that's the bottom where you can find the speaker, the charging port, and the SIM card. In addition, this is also certified as IP68 water and dust resistant for 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It has OLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. So the screen size is 6.58 inches with the resolution of 1200 times 2640 pixels, HDR10, and 90Hz refresh rate. The main camera has 50 megapixel, 1.9 aperture, 23mm wide, 12 megapixel, and 40 megapixel for ultra wide, and a time of flight 3D camera for accurate and fast measurement. So sa harap naman is meron tayong two cameras. Doon po siya nakalocate sa left upper part ng phone, which is 32 megapixel and a time of flight 3D sensor. Yung available color is meron tayong silver frost, ito po yan, and then blush gold, deep sea blue, is white and black. So start po natin, subukan po natin buksan. Wow. Okay. So nakapasok na po tayo. So for device protection, we have to set a fingerprint ID, set a face recognition, and set a password. So wow, ang galing naman pag ganon kasi tatlo ang device protection. So wala akong masabi. Natapos na po yung fingerprint natin. ID is set. And set a face recognition. So, get started. Oh, ganun na po siya. Hindi mo na kailangan i-tilt or ikutin yung leg mo or yung ulo mo. At we are ready to go. Oh, wow. At may animation pa siya. Ang galing. One more. Wow. So, siguro pwede mong palitan yun. Pwede mong iset ng iba. So, try ulit natin. Wow, ang bilis. Ang bilis ng pagka-unlock niya. Ito po yung mga smartphones na meron silang 90Hz refresh rate. Kaya ang bilis po. So ito po, susubukan po natin yung speaker ng phone na to. Meron po akong 1 meter away from the camera. Make sure natin na naka full blast. Wow. Malakas din po. So makikita nyo, isa lang po one-sided lang po yung speaker nito. Nasa right side lang po. Pero malakas siya. So tapos na tayo doon sa speaker. I-try naman po natin yung camera. So meron pong option dito. Meron siyang aperture, meron siyang night, meron siyang portrait, meron siyang photo, meron siyang video, meron siyang pro, and more. So yung more option is meron siyang slow-mo, panorama, monochrome, AR lens, light painting, HDR, time-lapse, sticker, documents, underwater, dual view, and high resolution. So subukan natin yung pro. So yung pro mode is yung kinagandahan nito is para siyang DSLR. So meron kang mga option dito na pwede mong i-adjust yung white balance, autofocus, ISO, kung gusto mo ng telescopic o kung gusto mo ng wide. So susubukan po natin. Ito po, so susubukan po natin yung front-facing camera na meron siyang 32 megapixel and ayan. Maganda. Ayos. Ayan po yung kuha niya. At yan po yung kuha niya ng times 8. Ganyan po kalapit, ganyan ka-detailed. Ito naman po yung times 5. So ito naman po yung ultra wide. So ang battery po nito is meron siyang 4,200 mAh non-removable battery. And also supported po siya ng wireless charging sa likod. So ayun po, thank you so much sa panunood ng aking unboxing. At kung meron po kayong katanungan, just comment down in the comment section. And please po sir, mga ma'am, mag-subscribe po kayo sa channel ko and support my page. And see you guys next time. Hopefully po, lahat tayo is safe and healthy ngayon sa panahon na to. And see you guys for another unboxing next week. Salamat po.